A cough is the body's natural defense mechanism. When the throat or airways become irritated, specialized nerve receptors send signals to the brain, triggering a cough. This helps clear mucus, dust, and other irritants from the respiratory tract. However, frequent coughing can become uncomfortable, especially at night when it interferes with sleep. Honey works primarily by coating the throat. This soothing layer helps calm irritated tissues and reduces stimulation of the nerve receptors responsible for triggering coughs. As the throat becomes less irritated, the urge to cough may decrease, providing natural relief and greater comfort. In addition to its soothing effect, honey contains natural compounds with mild anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties may help support the body's response to irritation and minor infections. While honey is not a cure for underlying illnesses, it can help ease symptoms and improve comfort during recovery. Honey can be used in several simple ways. Some people take it directly by the spoonful for quick relief. Others mix it into warm water, herbal tea, or lemon water. Honey can also be combined with lemon and ginger to create a soothing homemade syrup. Warm drinks may provide additional comfort by helping keep the throat moist. Scientific studies have found that honey can help reduce nighttime coughing and improve sleep quality, especially in children with upper respiratory infections. Some research suggests that honey may perform similarly to certain common over-the-counter cough medicines. Other studies indicate it may help shorten the duration and severity of cough symptoms. For adults and children older than 1 year, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of honey can be taken as needed and may be repeated every few hours. However, honey should never be given to infants under 1 year of age because of the risk of infant botulism. While honey can help relieve cough symptoms, persistent, severe, or worsening coughs should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern research supports its role in soothing coughs. By coating the throat, calming irritation, and providing mild anti-inflammatory effects, honey can offer simple and effective symptom relief. When used safely, it remains one of the most accessible and trusted home remedies for coughs around the world. If you enjoyed this medical documentary, like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health content.